Welcome again. Let's learn how to take a picture in Flutter and Dart. So, let's go. Hand in code. So now, first step, open your project and your Visual Studio Code and go to pub.spec file and do you need install one package? Your name is image picker, but if you want to install the last version of this package, you can go to pub.dev website. Let me show you. This is the official package repository for Dart and Flutter. So I can type here the image picker. So select second option and go to installing, and in dependencies I copy here and go to my pub.spec file, and in my dependency I paste here my version and save. So after install this package to US, do you need to pass the K tag in your info list. So go to EOS folder and runner and info list. So I will leave this K tag in description of this video. So I passed here a specific K tag and save and go to my code. So in my state I create the variable and with name the final image picker, the type picker equals image picker. So nice. I need import this package, the library. Nice. And do you need create two methods? The first for take a picture using your cell phone. So feature x file. So pick image, the type pick image. So parameter and the image source, the type source, and this method the type async because you need to wait the process, and okay. So and here the final x file 2 and the image equals wait the picker dot pick image and the source receive source. So do you return your image? So this is the simple method. So now go to create another method to choose image in gallery of your cell phone. So let's go. Feature x file and pick image from gallery. So don't need pass parameter here. So sync here, and the final x file image equals await the picker and the pick image source different source image and the gallery. So return your image. So that is two simple method. So now I need to call this method in my button. So I create two elevated button, and here I pass the type sync function, and here I pass final x file, the type image2 await call to the pick image and the source the image source and the pass the to camera. So this is the simple method. So second the two type sync and the final hex file and the image await picker image from gallery, and don't need to pass nothing here, and save. And now go try your application. So click here and error. So perfect. I get this error because I am emulating the cell phone on the computer, but this works perfectly in your cell phone. So second option, choose image, and here is perfect. I can select the image. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel. So bye bye.